Good morning and namaste everyone. Okay. Without spending any more time, we will start with the much awaited competition, Innovative Product and Marketing Competition 2016. Thank you. Before we start with our presentations, let me introduce you to our esteemed panel of judges. I think majority of the people on the judges panel you might be knowing, especially grade 12 might be knowing, the panel of judges. But let me still introduce the judges to you. We have with us Sujata ma'am, and Sujata ma'am has been with this particular competition right from the beginning of the competition. This is the 7th year of the competition, and when we started with just the ideation part of the competition, she has been judging this particular competition. So she has seen the competition grow from simple ideation to the whatever level that we have reached so far. Okay, I think majority of you know Sujata ma'am as the English teacher, yeah, but she is the one who is having a bachelor's in microbiology. Yeah, not only that, she is also the one who, she's the one who is the gold medalist in microbiology, and she has a degree in law, and she teaches English. Okay, all right. She has lots of experience, in the sense she has lived outside our country, and she has been to different parts of the world, and she has been associated with different schools at different points in time, in different capacities. So, give a big round of applause for Sujata ma'am. Our next judge is, we have with us Nirman. I think majority of you might be knowing Nirman, yeah, because he is already a celebrity. Okay. He's the one, he's a programming and entrepreneurship enthusiast, and by the time he was in school, he was the one who had made 200 apps. Now he already had 200 apps, and right now he's working on, he's studying in United States in MIT, and the best part about it is you can just check out our website. We have just tagged one of his presentation which he had given on TEDx. Yeah, we simply look at people who are speaking at TEDx. We have one of the speakers of TEDx with us. So over to Nirman. Yeah, okay. We have with us Japji C. Walecha. I think once again everybody who is a music enthusiast, yeah, will definitely know who Japji is, especially the Summerfest, and whenever we see anybody who is kind of using the keyboard flawlessly and smoothly, and all the songs flowing, he's the one who is responsible for all that in our school. Yeah, so he's an alumni of TGES, and he's the one who is pursuing music currently from the University of Leeds in UK, right? Okay, and once again, so far as the world of music is concerned, and world of, in a way, even entrepreneurship is concerned, yeah, he has lots of experience in both. Yeah, so please welcome Japji. Yeah. This time with us we have Keroli Somaya, once again an alumni of TGES. In fact, Keroli has been the one of the participants so far as IPM is concerned. Yeah, I still remember they had come up with the product Chalkster. Yeah, Chalkster was their product. Okay, so she's the one who is pursuing chartered accountancy at the moment, and of course she is topping in chartered accountancy. Be it whether we are talking about the the entry level exams or IPCC or whatever, she has been the topper throughout. Yeah. So let's welcome Carolee. Yeah. All right. Okay. So with this, I think officially I open IPM 2016. Open. All right. We will straight away, start with the first presentation. Yeah. Let's get started. We are very time bound and we have to move. I hope everybody is aware about the rules. Yeah. Please make sure the people who are seated over here, you are not going to be, eating, drinking, chewing, nothing. No talking, nothing. Nobody is, asking for any washroom breaks. We have enough, long breaks in between. So, you will be using that. The ones who are going to be presenting, please make sure that 10 minutes is your deadline. Anything beyond 10 minutes results into negative marking. Are we clear with this? Okay. All right.